Welcome back. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dio Alina. For every family, a house is more than just four walls. It's a living storybook. Each color we choose holds a memory, tells a story, and reflects the love passed down through generations. That's why Benjamin Moore's shades are more than just paint. They're timeless companions to the lives unfolding within our homes. Today, let's explore beautiful ideas inspired by Benjamin Moore's most iconic colors, each one capturing the essence of family, love, and legacy. Bring your family's story to life. Discover Benjamin Moore's family-inspired palette and create a home that truly embraces your legacy. A legacy in color. Suggested color, Hale Navy. Hale Navy isn't just a paint color, it's a statement of legacy. This deep, rich shade of blue mirrors the enduring roots of a family tree, reminding us that no matter how far branches spread, they always connect back to something solid. Think of the grandfather's study lined with old books, the navy walls glowing softly in the evening light, or the dining room where generations gather to celebrate milestones. This shade speaks of strength and dignity. Just as families weather storms together, Hale Navy reflects resilience, never loud or flashy, but quietly commanding respect. It's the kind of color that makes a room feel grounded, where stories of the past are honored and future dreams are nurtured. Home is where love lives. Suggested color, pale oak. There's something profoundly comforting about pale oak. Its gentle warmth feels like walking into your childhood home after years away, where the air still carries traces of home-cooked meals and echoes of laughter. Pale oak captures that softness and embrace in color form. This neutral shade doesn't try to steal the spotlight, but it creates the perfect backdrop for the little details that make a house feel alive. Framed family photos, hand-drawn artwork from the kids, or a quilt lovingly stitched by a grandmother. It's versatile enough to match every season of life, from playful toddler chaos to the quiet calm of an empty nest. When pale oak covers your walls, it whispers, "You belong here." Generations in harmony. Suggested color, Revere Pewter. Revere Pewter is one of Benjamin Moore's most beloved shades, and for good reason. It has the rare ability to bring together what might otherwise feel divided. Imagine a living room where your grandmother's antique cabinet stands proudly beside a sleek, modern sofa. At first glance, they seem worlds apart, but Revere Pewter ties them together, making the space feel intentional and harmonious. This color is about balance. It's neither too cool nor too warm, echoing the way family members with different personalities and values still come together under one roof. It represents compromise, connection, and the beauty of coexistence. In a way, Revere Pewter is like the peacemaker of the color world, steady, adaptable, and always fostering unity. Walls that tell a story. Suggested color, Edgecomb Gray. Walls painted in Edgecomb Gray feel like memory keepers. It's not a color that demands attention, yet it holds the power to frame countless family stories. Picture birthdays where balloons brush against those walls, the smell of freshly baked cake filling the room. Imagine holiday dinners where candlelight reflects softly off the neutral tone, adding warmth to conversations. Edgecomb Gray works like the pages of a photo album. Subtle, understated, but filled with depth and meaning once you take a closer look. Families change, decor shifts, but this shade remains timeless, like the backbone of a story that never loses relevance. It's perfect for homes that want elegance without losing approachability. The heart of home. Suggested color, Caliente, captures it beautifully. This passionate red is bold, lively, and full of love, like the clinking of glasses at a family celebration or the sound of children racing through the kitchen. It demands attention, but in the best way possible, reminding everyone who enters that life is meant to be lived vibrantly. Caliente works especially well in spaces where people gather. In a dining room, it adds energy to conversations. In a kitchen, it inspires warmth and appetite. Even as an accent wall in a living room, it transforms the space into one that radiates life and passion. This shade is for families who embrace love wholeheartedly, loud, proud, and without hesitation. Building memories in color. Suggested color, Simply White. At first glance, Simply White might seem plain, but that's its genius. Like a blank canvas waiting for brushstrokes, this shade provides the perfect backdrop for a family's evolving story. Think of the scribbles and height marks on a hallway wall or the first art project hung proudly in a living room. Over the years, furniture changes, styles evolve, and new traditions form, but Simply White adapts seamlessly, always reflecting light and freshness. It's more than just a color. It's a promise that life's little moments will shine. Whether it's the golden glow of morning sunlight pouring into a breakfast nook or the twinkling fairy lights of a festive holiday evening, Simply White makes every memory brighter. Love in every shade, suggested color. Love Always 896. Love Always 896 is more than just a paint color. It's a feeling brought to life on your walls. Warm, soft, and endlessly inviting, this shade embodies the quiet strength of lasting affection. It's the gentle reminder that love doesn't always need grand gestures. Sometimes it shows up in the everyday moments that make a family strong. What makes Love Always 896 so special is its versatility. It has enough warmth to feel inviting, but enough softness to act as a backdrop for treasured memories, whether that's children's artwork taped proudly to the wall, family photos in rustic frames, or heirlooms passed down through generations. In every brushstroke, Love Always 896 whispers one truth. Love doesn't just live in words or gestures. It lives in the very walls that surround us, in spaces where hearts connect and families grow. So, color is not just paint, it's a way we tell our family's story. With Benjamin Moore, you're not just painting walls, you're building a legacy that will be cherished forever. Make your story a reality. Find the perfect color for your home. If you love this idea, don't forget to like and share in the comments which Benjamin Moore color best reflects your family's story.